Welcome. So what I like to do is show you how to find the number of sides of a regular polygon when given one individual angle. And it's very important when we're given a measure of one individual angle, interior or exterior, we have to make sure we're dealing with regular polygons, meaning they have the same sides and angles are equal in measure. So what we have here is the formula, and this is the formula to find the measure of an interior angle when we're given the sides, where n represents the sides and I represents the measure of an interior angle. So 135 degrees represents the measure of one interior angle, and we want to solve for n. So therefore, I'm simply just going to write 135 degrees, n for I, equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. So there's a couple different ways that we can go about this, but we need to solve for n, meaning we need to get n off of the denominator and as well on the same side. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by n on both sides. That's going to get the n off the denominator. And you could say multiply by n over 1 if you want to, but these are both over 1 anyways. So when I do that, I get, so here the n's divide out, and I don't need to divide it into there. Those divide out, and this becomes 135 degrees times n equals, now here, since I divide these out, I'm going to want to apply the distributive property. 180 degrees n minus 360 degrees. Okay, that's by applying the distributive property. Now I need to get the n's to the same side, and we can get them to the left side or we can get them to the right side. If I get them to the left side, it's going to be negative, but that's okay. I know that that's negative, and I'm going to have to divide out a negative number anyway, so that's cool. So what I'll do is I'll subtract 180 degrees on both sides to get the n's, or I'm sorry, 180 degrees n on both sides. OK, when doing that, that is going to give me 45 degrees equals a negative, I'm sorry, that gives me a negative 45 degrees n minus 360 degrees. So now all I simply need to do is solve for n. So to do that, I'll divide by negative 45 degrees. And therefore, my final answer is n equals 8. So therefore, when we have a regular polygon with the individual measure of each angle is 135 degrees, we have an 8-sided regular polygon, which would be an octagon. Thanks.